What's going on, guys? Alright, so I've got a workshop coming up this weekend. It starts tomorrow actually, and I'm going to do some unboxing here, see what we got. Now I've opened this already. I want to make sure I got the right stuff because I asked for these particular. We've got wrap gloves, of course, Vivid ones. We've got Vivid Plus blades, love these things, and gold squeegees, firm, so they're firm, the gold ones, and the blue ones are softer. So it's good to have both. We've got mini rolls of wrap cut, and what else we got in here? Magnets. We got a ton of magnets, and I think that's about it. So we got a ton of stuff here, and just wanted to go through that one real quick as usual. The blades are their newer version of the blades. I'm going to do a separate video on that, talking about those, and I use it all the time here. And let me actually grab my old blade here. Let's get some of these boxes open. All right. So, let's see what's in this one here. So keep this in mind when you get your vinyl, when you order it, don't worry too much about what the outside of the box says. Always check the inside. The box isn't always labeled correctly. So we've got, looks like I think it's like a matte Viper green, matte metallic Viper green. Oops, lost my mic there. Let me grab my mic here, one sec. Oh, it's a gloss. Okay, so this is a gloss version. Beautiful color. It's got a lot of depth to it, but still very plain. But is very vibrant. So we're looking at for that fluorescent look. Definitely a nice color to go with. All right. Let's grab the next box. Now, so we've got what everyone's been asking for, some matte Miami Tiffany blue, matte metallic Miami. All right, let's get that box out of the way. Again, a lot lighter, right, than what's on the car right now. But this is a beautiful, beautiful color. I love it, actually. But I still like the chrome a lot more. The chrome is definitely more up my alley as far as colors go. If I were to choose something for my own car. Now, obviously, I've wrapped my car like 7 or 8 times in chrome, so I never really do basic finishes. All right. Let's get this one open. That was easy. So matte metallic black, I believe. Yep. Another beautiful color. So it'd be a nice finish on this. So if you're looking for something that's not quite matte, not quite just basic black, it's got a metallic finish in it. Really, really nice. You can see that. Give your car a nice aggressive appearance and sleek and classy at the same time. And then we got in the last box, probably chrome. Not sure though. I don't remember what I ordered. Oh, it's not. I have enough chrome here, actually. All right. Oh, it is. So we got blue chrome. Cool. You guys have already seen this before. So we got, these are what we're using for the workshop. We've got the 3 finishes. We've got the the matte Miami Tiffany. We've got the chrome blue. We've got the matte metallic black, and we've got the Viper green. all really nice colors. So we'll be looking to wrap and learn with these films. If you guys are interested, don't forget to check the link in the description, because I've got a form there for you guys to fill out if you're interested in learning how to train and learning how to wrap. Sorry, not learning how to train, learning how to wrap. And if you want to train with me here in person, great way to do it and great way to pick up some skills for sure. We did have an advanced training workshop a couple of weeks ago. A guy came in from the UK and a guy came in from New York, and they learned quite a bit. So the one guy from the UK, he actually had only started wrapping by using my YouTube videos, which is actually pretty cool. So he came actually for the advanced course. He felt that he was that good already after about a year to take the advanced course, and he did phenomenal actually. So the advanced course is all straight chrome. I don't run them as much because not everyone is kind of at that level yet where they're ready to do chrome, but it's really important to learn the basics first. So we'll do level 1 and level 2 all in the same thing. Anyways guys, check the link in the description below if you want to see, or if you want to fill out the form, you want to inquire about our workshops, and that way I can give you some dates and what's going on. And that's it. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care.